Hello, children, parents, caregivers, and teachers. Welcome to Teacher Weena's reading program. Let's learn the ending sound mm. Please say the sound with me. Mm. Now let's write the uppercase and lowercase in the air. And you can pause this video to get a paper or whiteboard or any writing tablet and write as many times as you want. Afterwards, we're going to play a game. Let's begin. Say the names of these two pictures with me. Jam, bed. Let's say it again. Jam, bed. Which of these two pictures have the ending sound? Jam, bed. You can pause this video and think about it. If you chose jam, you're right. Let's do another one. Say the names with me. Cat, ham. Cat, ham. Which of these two pictures have the ending sound? Cat, ham. You can pause this video and think about it. If you chose ham, you're right. Let's say the names of these two pictures together. Swim, cap. Again, swim, cap. Which one has the ending sound? You can pause this video and think about it. If you chose swim, you're right. The word swim has the ending sound. Swim. And so is the word ham. Ham. And jam. Jam. Well done! We learned the ending sound For more videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. See you soon! Bye!